Ah, hey, so if you've been thinking about launching an online course, building a sales funnel, or even just starting that email list you've been putting off, I've got something worth checking out. It's called Systeme.io, and honestly, it makes things way easier than I expected. I've tried a bunch of tools before, and most of them just felt clunky. Too many tabs, too many features I never used, and kind of overwhelming when all I wanted was to just get something live. Systeme.io is different. Super beginner friendly, and everything's in one place. Funnels, emails, automation, courses, even a blog if you want one. What I like is that it doesn't feel like you're building a rocket ship. You just log in, pick what you want to build, and go. It's kind of plug and play, but with enough room to make it your own. And if you're just starting out, you can actually use most of the features for free until you grow, which is pretty rare these days. So yeah, if you're thinking about finally launching that project, Systeme.io is a really solid place to start. No pressure, just sharing what's been working for me. Check it out if you're curious. Links below.